Hi there, this is Lucas from UQ-Army. In this video, we'll go over one of the smartest types of QR code, the App Store's QR code. The reason why App Store's QR codes are smart is due to the fact that the content shown depends on the device used to scan them. If you have an app, for example, that is available for both Android and iOS, you can insert both URLs in an App Store's QR code. If you have an Android device, you would be redirected to Google Play in order to download the app. If you have an iPhone, you would go to the App Store. Most businesses nowadays have a dedicated app to offer services, support, or information, and that is why having an App Store's QR code is crucial to provide instant access to the app with one simple scan. Of course, you don't have to have an app to use this type of QR code. If you have a campaign dedicated to Android users and another one for iOS users, you can use this QR code to redirect them to their respective contents. If you want to create an App Store's QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ-Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.